Introduction. Definition of business ethics, importance of values in ethical decision making, overview of Filipino cultural values in business. Core Filipino values in business ethics. How Filipino values influence ethical business practices. Bayanihan or cooperation and team. Communal unity and cooperation application in business, teamwork among employees, collaboration with suppliers and partners, community involvement and CSR initiatives. Pakikisama or harmony and smooth interpersonal relations. Maintaining good relationships with others, application in business conflict resolution through diplomacy, creating a positive work culture, encouraging teamwork and mutual respect. Utang na loob or gratitude and reciprocity. Deep sense of gratitude and loyalty application in business customer appreciation programs, building long-term relationships, ethical dealing with suppliers and partners. Hiya, sense of shame and social responsibility, avoiding actions that may cause embarrassment or loss of reputation application in business, maintaining integrity and honesty, upholding ethical business practices, responsible leadership and accountability. Malasakit or compassion and genuine care. Concern for others' well-being application in business, fair treatment of employees, providing quality product services, customer-centric approach and CSR. Integrity and honesty in Filipino business culture. Importance of transparency in business dealing. Examples of ethical business practices in the Philippines. Challenges and ethical dilemmas. Common ethical issues in Philippines business, corruption, unfair labor practices. How Filipino values can address these challenges. Conclusion. Summary of key points how business can integrate Filipino values into ethics. Final thoughts on ethical leadership in the Philippines.